Hello friends, this is Milani Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are reviewing BLACKPINK's Lisa's limited edition moonshot powder fixer. It comes in this cute packaging. The product claims that a natural looking fixing powder with extensive coverage and SPF 27 PA++ protection infused with microparticles to produce a flawless translucent finish while also setting makeup in place. It has Lisa's signature printed on its packaging. It has both Thai and English instructions mentioned, which is great for international customers like me. Expiry date is mentioned at the back. Its packaging is very compact. I like mini-size products because it is good to test products out first before purchasing a full-size product. It is so tiny and adorable. Its entire body is made of good quality plastic and it doesn't feel cheap in any way. Its lock is quite well built. This powder comes with a mirror and puff as well, which is amazing. The puff itself feels like a sponge or foam. It also comes with a plastic separator. This powder is very finely milled. I bought the darkest shade of their collection, which is 301. This powder feels like velvet to touch and is quite pigmented. So, I will be applying powder on left side of my face. This powder fixer can get cakey as it has light to medium coverage. So, I'm dusting the powder carefully on half of my face. As I'm applying the powder, my left side is feeling a little tan due to its color, which is great. I like little dark products as it makes my face look slim. My under eye was already creasing, but I applied the powder on it to see how will it perform. The powder side looks blurred as compared to other side. Powder fixer has semi-matte finish. My foundation is glowy foundation, so it is giving glow from within vibes after the powder. This powder's performance is dependent on the type of foundation being used. The powder's finish is beautiful and flawless. Powder fixer can also be used by wetting the sponge for more coverage. This powder has good oil control and makes foundation last long. It stays put even after 5 hours. I really like the product and I will rate it 4.5 by 5. Minus 0.5 for it can get cakey if applied a lot. Also, there's a good point. It doesn't have any type of strong smell to it, which I'm thankful. Bye-bye.